In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block spam files in Google Drive. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. This video was actually inspired by a spam file that was shared to me the other day. And I thought I would create a video about how I dealt with it. If you ever received files from a random stranger in Google Drive, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do to block a sharer or a sender. Let's look at the first scenario. Let's say you received a sharing email notifying you of someone having shared a random file to you through Google Drive. Someone you don't know and files you weren't expecting. You're perfectly right to be suspicious about a file like that, just as you would be suspicious about a similar email, for instance. First of all, don't open the file, and especially if it contains links, don't click on them. At the bottom of the sharing email, you will see an option to block the sender. Click on the link, and from this point on, they will not be able to share files to you anymore. Let's look at the second scenario. Let's assume that you did not get or see a sharing notification email, but you noticed files having been shared into your Google Drive by an unknown person, and you don't even recognize the owner of the file. Not to worry, these files don't take up space from your Google storage, but they can be annoying nonetheless. Again, don't open the file, or if you have, do not click on any links inside the file. Most likely, you will have noticed the sharing in the Shared With Me section of Google Drive. Shared With Me lives in the left navigation bar, not to be confused with your friendly Share Drive section. Right-click the file or Control-click on a Mac and select the blocking option. This will help you block the owner of the file. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can prevent unwanted files from showing up in your Google Drive. I will also drop a link in the description about how you can unblock someone if you ever need to, or if you blocked someone by mistake. If you found this life hack helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.